Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss Microsoft stock and Fibonacci trading. Microsoft stock and Fibonacci trading. Few days ago, Microsoft has released what we call a Surface Studio. Microsoft is redefining the hardware of the desktop, coming up with the Surface Studio, a quite innovative hardware that is now on the market, all right? And I admire that, which is very good. Companies that are innovating, that are creating products that are gaining more market share. It's very important for investors. All right. So now for us technical traders, the question is, what is in store for Microsoft stock? All right. But before we continue, I need to tell traders that I admire what is happening at Microsoft right now, because a few years ago they were in stagnation. They were not going anywhere. And then they locked themselves up in a room and they start coming up with excellent products. Microsoft Surface Pro, now Surface Pro. Now we have Surface Studio, and we have the Microsoft Book, all the kind of excellent product coming up from Microsoft. And the market has responded. That's what we are talking about. Companies that are creating innovative product, companies that are gaining more market share. So if you bought this stock in 2009 at a level of $15, you will have achieved already 300% profit, because the stock today is now, in fact, we can say 400% profit, because it went to the 60 level. All right, here it is. You see, you have achieved 600% profit. That's correction. 600 profit, 600% profit. All right. So you see, the stock went up for a bit. Now, what is happening? What is going on after? What is likely to take place after the new product? All right, the Surface Studio. All right. So for us technical traders, we know something very important. Those who understand Fibonacci trading, all right, we don't want to forget something, is that if a financial instrument, all right, is going up, all right, and it breaks above a significant high, the next challenge for the bullish progression is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. Now, do you know that before? Now, if this is new to you, it means that it's time for you to subscribe to the Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. So financial instrument that is going up. All right. If it breaks above, you see a bullish breakout above the prior high. The next challenge for the bullish progression is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. In fact, there is a web page at theprotraders.com that we title 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, that will explain to you the theory of a Fibonacci extension level, the 138.2% powerful Fibonacci extension level. So you can see here, what am I talking about? All right, we are serious here. You see this level here. All right, this is the level we are talking about. The level of $55, that zone. If I draw a line there, that's the significant high that the price has taken out. Yeah, in fact, it's 53. The exact level, I can tell you the exact level. The exact level is at 53.81. 53.81. 53.81. That's the correct, exact level. Now you can see on my chart 53.98 in that zone. All right, that's the significant high that was achieved. Okay, years ago. All right, years ago. That was achieved in 1999. There it is. That was a significant high. So now the price breaks above that significant high. The next challenge for the bullish progression is what? The 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. Here it is. That level is 6161. What a beautiful number. 6161. Well, beautiful, gorgeous number. 6161. 6161. All right, so it's a beautiful number, 6161. Now, the reason why I'm saying it's beautiful is because you can remember that number easily. All right, so you are trading Microsoft. All right, so you are somewhere in a bush, in a garden, in a park, doing your own thing, and then suddenly you hear that Microsoft stock exceeded the 6161. That will get your attention, yes or no? All right, 6161 is easy to remember. So that's the resistance that where Microsoft is now, 138.2% Fibonacci extension. It's not by mistake that the price is, you see here, if you go quickly to the hourly time frame, you can see that the professional are careful, you see, boom, 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 boom. All right, we can't see that line, my beautiful pink line. Where is it? What is my, yeah, here is it. See here? We are on the 2-hour time frame. You see how the professional acknowledge that level, the price gap up, and then went up to that 138.2%, okay, powerful Fibonacci extension level, and he starts changing direction a bit. It makes sense? This is about Microsoft stock and Fibonacci trading. We are now at 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. That's a key resistance level. It's in fact a hidden resistance level. So this is one of the advantage of technical traders, but because fundamental traders say that we do not need technical analysis, it's all mumbo jumbo, but it's happening all the time. So the mistake that ordinary investors are making, they have a loads of money. All right, and they want to pump into the stock market, but they don't know much about the stock market participant. All right, it's crazy. It's crazy. Why is it crazy? Because if you want to invest in the stock market, you want to understand how the stock market functions, which means how the market participants are acting in the stock market. So if you are disregarding a group of market participants, yeah, that's a very bad thing to do. You need to know exactly how they are trading, how high frequency traders are trading, how the technical traders are trading, how Fibonacci traders are trading, how Elliott wave traders are trading. It's good to know. That's why when we say sophisticated investors, those are investors that are aware of everything that is going on in the financial market. All right, so you want to know, but there is a group of investors that have loads of money, or they want to buy and hold. And sometimes the problem that they are facing is how they are timing the market. They are buying every time at any price. Don't buy at any price. All right, the difference between ordinary traders, ordinary investors, retail traders, and the most sophisticated investors is because the most sophisticated investors do not buy at any price. They don't buy at any price. They don't. Let me show you something, all right? They don't. So we are talking about stock trading because we are at stock 24 stock trader YouTube channel, and I'm talking like this, but those are important because if you forget them, if you miss them, you may not enjoy your stock trading. All right, you want to enjoy it. Here it is. Look at this. What's happened here? Okay, look at this one. It's happening all the time. You see this price low here. Okay, so after the price achieved this significant high, it pulled back to this low here, which is $18. All right. So in 2009, before the bullish trend began, some smart investors want to buy at the lowest point. They push it a little bit below. They bought it at a better price in comparison to $18.01 before they push it back above it. And from then, that's it. It's gone. Took years. Few years ago, I recorded a video that I told traders that this Microsoft stock was a bullish cow. Because what was happening during that time is because they were working slowly. But you can see the momentum building, the product they start doing, their way of doing things, it has changed. The way the management start behaving, they know that, okay, they lost the plots. Now they must catch up. They were leaders before. Now they are going behind. And I can see clearly that the attitude of this management is quite good. And here we are today. The stock went out from $15. Now it went to 61.61. And again, a few days ago, they come up again with what we call the Surface Studio. But now the challenge for ordinary investors and traders is that should you buy at any price? No. Now, before you say that, George, are you telling people to sell Microsoft stock? No, I have a great respect for this company, all right, a great admiration to the management team. I'm not here to tell traders to buy or to sell. This video is for educational purposes only. It's about Microsoft stock and Fibonacci trading. All I'm pointing out to traders is that if a financial instrument is going up and breaks above a prior high, the next challenge for that bullish momentum is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, and that price level is 61.61. Here we are now. So if we want to buy as a technical traders, we will look for something like this, either the price pulling back to retest the prior high at 53.98, and then we implement a top-down trading method, and if you receive a clear-cut signal, we buy. If you buy, the first, the profit target, the ultimate profit target will be 61.61. Now, there is another place that trader who wants to buy can buy, is that we will wait for it to break above that 61.61, which means we can be a little bit patient. Will it push it through and break above 61.61? That's not enough for us. We want it to deviate a little bit away from it and to pull back and to retest it. We, as a technical traders, my recommendation is never buy because it pulls back. All right? When it pulls back, it's good, but you want to implement a top-down trading method. All right. If you don't know what is a multiple time frame trading method, check out the video about what is multiple time frame trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. All right. So it pulls back, is good. Now implement a top-down trading method before you buy it. All right. But where we are now, we are at a significant resistance level. This stock will become a bearish. Attention, please. It will become bearish if it breaks below the prior low, the prior high right here. If it breaks below the prior high here, or if it breaks below the prior high, all right, and find a resistance, break below, retest, that will be a bearish trading setup. We will implement a top-down trading method, okay, to sell it. All right. Now, I'm not saying to trader to sell. I'm not saying to trader to buy. I'm explaining to traders the price action. We are now performing a thorough technical analysis of the Microsoft stock. Now you need to understand that we do not use technical analysis alone. We want to combine, okay, the technical analysis with the fundamentals. That's the best approach. Great products coming out of Microsoft, okay, which is very, very important. They must make more money, create more excellent products, all right, gaining more market share, dominating their sector, and pushing the company forward. And then people will continue investing in Microsoft stock. But the point we are making here, as a sophisticated investors, do not buy at any price. One should also adopt the same attitude. You want to buy low, at the best price, at a reasonable price, okay, so you may have room for it to go up, all right? This is what we are talking about here. Another thing, before we close this tutorial, because I don't want it to be a long video, we are talking about Microsoft stock and Fibonacci trading. So I highlighted the first key level that we must monitor is 61.61. There is another key level using Fibonacci extension again. This time I'm going to move my line, so I'm going to apply Fibonacci extension to the bullish trend. See here, there was a bullish trend, boom, up, all right, okay. And then we have a correction. That was a complex correction here. Now we have a new trend up that has exceeded the prior high. Now, if we apply Fibonacci extension to the prior high, to the prior trend, repeat, to the prior trend. So you may say, John, how did you do it first time? First time, I do it from this low here. All right, because traders sometimes want to do exactly what we have done on our chart. I want you to know where I draw it from this low here. You see the low at $32.39. That's where I done it first time. Now what I'm doing from the beginning of the bullish trend to the top of the bullish trend. Now there is another 138.2% level. If you apply that, that's 138.2% Fibonacci extension level for Microsoft stock is at $73.40. $73.40. This is not a beautiful number like 61, which is easy for us to remember at any time, whether you are buying in Tesco or Sainsbury or any other place, and you know that Microsoft has exceeded that level. You keep your eyes on it and monitor it carefully like an eagle. All right, this to make you laugh a bit. All right, cheer up, my friend. Okay, so okay, all right. So there is another key level, 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. If you apply the Fibonacci extension to the prior trend for Microsoft stock, that level is 73.40. So for traders that are trading Microsoft, you do not want to forget those key levels. You want to trade around key levels like a professional traders. Know your key levels. So first thing, know your trading setup, okay, and trade them and trade around key level. So know your trading setup and also know your key levels. So you apply your trading setup, you know your trading setup, you know the trading setup that you understand and you know how to trade. All right. Now you want to find them around key levels. You want to sell, you are looking for bearish pattern or bearish trading setup around key levels. You want to be bullish, you want to look for bullish chart pattern, bullish trading setup around key levels. So for Microsoft stock, there are key levels that the professionals are watching. The significant high here is a key level at 53.98. This level of 61.61, the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, applying from this level of $34.39 is a key level. The next key level is 73.40. You want to trade around those key levels. But one more thing before we close this tutorial today, all right? It's early morning, by the way, in London because all right, so I'm a bit excited, full of energy after getting up now. So you can understand why you may say, Joe, what's happening to you today? All right, nothing, all right, just full of energy. Okay, now one more thing, all right, so we are talking about sophisticated investors that always like to buy at best price, all right? So now the stock went up from $15, went all the way here, and they will be thinking, oh, it will be nice for Microsoft after this Microsoft stock after this Surface Studio to come down to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Oh, we want discount, you see? So you want to buy. There are sometimes people want to buy. You want to buy Breitling watches, all right? Or you want to buy MacBook Pro, all right, the latest one, all right? Or you want to buy Microsoft Studio, all right? Suppose, all right, you wake up in the morning, and then Google is flashing for you some advert saying to you 50% discount for those great products. All right, if you have money, you jump on it and buy it straight away. The same product coming directly from the source, from Microsoft or from Apple or from Breitling, quality stuff, from Louis Vuitton, and you know clearly that this is a quality product, now it's discounted 50%. This is how the smart investors are thinking. So now that Microsoft has proven that they can create great products or excellent products, the smart money now will prefer to have a bit of discount. So there is another key level, Fibonacci key level for Microsoft stock, so which is the zone between the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement. Now I'm using Fibonacci retracement. Correction, Fibonacci retracement. So they will be watching the zone, this zone here. So they will be saying, it will be nice. So you may say, John, oh, you are telling people to sell it. Oh, they can buy again. No, my friend. This is what's going on. Or I'm just telling you what is happening. All right, between the 50%, all right, 50% is $38.22, and the 61.8% retracement of the new trend is at $32.60. So there are investors that will be saying we will prefer to buy in this zone. If one day, or I'm not saying that it will come down there, I'm saying if one day Microsoft stock manages to get to that zone, there will be buyers. That's what I'm saying to you. There will be orders already placed here before it even reach this level. All right. There's another 50% at 61.8 level that I would want you to note down if you are trading macro stock. So you may stay tuned with the smart traders, because you do not want to step on their feet. All right, don't do that. All right, that's why I'm showing you all this. All right, so if you extend our drawing from the low here, expecting macro stock to reach this level of a 73 correction, to reach the level of $73.40. If he manages to reach that level, $73.40. So therefore, the new 50% and the 61.8% will be in this zone. So the new 50% will be at $44.21, and the 61.8% will be at $37.44. Now you know the Fibonacci key level where the professional are likely to buy or sell a Microsoft stock. Excellent company, great management in place, creating excellent product. The latest product is the Surface Studio, redefining how we use the desktop. Should one buy or sell a Microsoft stock? That is the question. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders talking about Microsoft stock and Fibonacci trading. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.